Hi guys, this is Sujin from tlivef.com. In this video, we're gonna quickly preview Hangul, Korean alphabet. Are you ready? Let's go! So from the previous video, we learned Hangul is the Korean alphabet. You may be wondering why you should learn Korean alphabet when there is romanization available for a lot of Korean learning contents. Let's look at it why. First, it's actually easy to learn, so why not just learn it? Hangul only has basic 14 consonants and basic 10 vowels. And once you learn all the Korean alphabets, you can read anything in Korean. Just remember I said basic here, I'll explain in a minute. Second, it can be very convenient for you once you get familiarize yourself with Korean alphabets. Let's look at an example. 안녕하세요. If you write in romanization, it's long and you have to look closer to read each letters. Instead, if you learn Hangul, it's way shorter and you can read it faster. And third, you'll have better understanding for K-pops, K-dramas because now you can read the lyrics and Korean subtitles. Even though you might not know what it means at first, still that's a big step forward. And of course, if you're planning to take the TOEIC exam, it's a must. So now let's learn about the root of Korean alphabet, Hangul. It is phonogram, which means each letter represents a sound, and an example of phonogram is alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So because it's phonogram, once you learn Hangul, Korean alphabet, you can read anything in Korean. I know for English this is not 100% true. Here's why. When I meet someone for the first time and they look at my name in English, how it's spelled, S-U-J-I-N, a lot of people they ask me,
how do you pronounce your name?
Or they try to guess it by saying,
Is it Suin? Is it Suchin? Is it Suhin?
This doesn't happen in Korean. If you write Sujin, they will pronounce it Sujin. Okay, let's look at consonants and vowels. Hangul has 19 consonants and 21 vowels. Wait. Didn't you say it has only 14 consonants and 10 vowels? Yes, I did. So Hangul, Korean alphabet, actually starts from 5 consonants and 3 vowels. Let's look at it a little closer. 기역, 니은, 미음, 시옷, 이응, and 하늘, 사람, 땅. So let's look at consonants first. They're originated from the shape of organs that make sound. 기역, which sounds like g. The sound is made by blocking your airway or throat with the back of your tongue. G. 니은 is when your tongue is touching behind your upper teeth or gum, and as you release it to the neutral position, it makes n sound. N. 미음 is the sound your lips. It makes m as you open your mouth. 시옷 represents the shape of your teeth, and the sound is made when the air travels through between your upper teeth and lower teeth. S. 이응 is the shape of your throat, and the sound comes from your throat. With these 5 consonants, we can make basic 14 consonants by adding strokes. So it starts from 기역, 니은, 미음, 시옷, 이응, and you just add strokes to these 키읔, 디귿, 비읍, 지읒, and you add more strokes 티귿, 피읍, 치읒, 히읗, and 리을. These are the basic 14 consonants. Now we're gonna add 5 more consonants, which are tense version of the 5 consonants that we already talked about. So you double 기역 to make 쌍기역, 그, 끄. You double 디귿 and make 쌍디귿, 드, 뜨. 비읍 to make 쌍비읍, 브, 뿌. 시옷 to make 쌍시옷, 스, 스. And 지읒 to make 쌍지읒, 즈, 즈. Now we covered all 19 consonants. Okay, now look at the vowels. It starts from 3 elements: the dot, vertical stroke, and horizontal stroke. Dot represents sky or heaven, vertical stroke represents a human or person, and horizontal stroke represents earth or ground. And we combine these 3 elements to make vowels. Dot with vertical stroke becomes a, ya, o, yo. Dot with horizontal stroke, o, yo, u, you. And these 2 elements can be used by itself, I. We just covered 10 basic vowels. Now we're gonna make more vowels by putting these basic vowels together. A and E becomes E, ya, and e becomes ye. O and e becomes e. Yo and e becomes ye. O, e, we, o, a, wa, o, e, we, u, i, we, u, o, wo, u, e, we, and I, 의. There you have it, 10 base vowels and 11 combination vowels. And here's our complete Korean consonants and vowels. How the Korean alphabet made is really interesting. It starts from the basic 5 consonants and 3 vowel elements. And you just add strokes or combine these elements together to make the whole alphabet. It's very scientific and easy to learn, so why shouldn't you learn? More videos on how to pronounce Korean alphabet is coming up next. 그럼 다음에 봐요. 안녕.